Why do 2.7 million Texans remain without power today? It's Hurricane Beryl's devastating aftermath. Hurricane Beryl has wreaked havoc across Texas, leaving a trail of destruction and despair. In Harris County alone, 2 lives have been tragically lost as trees toppled onto homes. This storm isn't just a bout of bad weather, it's a life-altering event. Power outages are widespread, affecting 2.7 million Texans. State officials warn that restoring electricity will take several days. This will be a multi-day restoration effort, says Thomas Gleason, chair of the Public Utility Commission. Patience is key as crews work tirelessly to bring power back. The danger isn't over yet. Heavy rains and strong winds continue to batter the state, making recovery efforts even more challenging. For those in the affected areas, staying safe and informed is crucial. Our hearts go out to those impacted by this devastating storm. Stay tuned for more updates on the recovery efforts and ways you can help. This is Tech Lab Secrets, keeping you informed.